Peggy 12.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi?
We are resetting your account.
What?
Due to all the activity we've seen from different IP addresses,
No,
we've decided
First off,
to reset your account.
are you crazy?
And this is
Listen.
final.
Listen
Not
to me
up
very
date.
carefully.
This is what we've
Listen,
decided,
that's
and you
not
have
how
to
it
deal with
works.
it.
Put the account back to where it was. You can't tell me I'm starting from scratch. You know how hard I worked? Put my account where it was, or else things are gonna get nasty. Got that? The nerve of these guys. If it wasn't for you guys, the way I'm handling the situation now is totally different from how I would have actually handled it. It's not even losing 5% of progress, it's the gaslighting trying to make it seem like I'm at fault. But as adults here, we have to put on our logical hats and do what's right. Now, because of you guys and your commitment to the channel and to this series, we're gonna finish what we started. Right now we have 100K, well, 101,000 because they gave us a 1% boost. We have money we have to make back up for and lost time that we have to redeem. So welcome to episode 6 of the 100K challenge with the Forex Funder. Not off to a great start, but it's our job to make sure that the ending is great. So enough talking, enough yapping. Let's get straight into today's episode. Alright guys, so I'm currently in a trade right now. I found a setup that, looks good to me. I've entered 2 positions. Usually you guys would see me enter 1 position, and it'd be for a 1 to 2. In this situation here, I kind of didn't want to miss the push, so I kind of entered kind of like near the top, near the break, and then I have another position that I enter when it came, instead of retracing closer to kind of like where my stop loss was. So as of right now, we're currently up like 1400, 1500. So I want to show you guys what I'm currently looking at. All right, so let's go ahead and see how this goes. So as you can see, prices, like I said, we're kind of floating right now. We're like 1300, floating between 1300, goes up a little bit and stuff like that. Pretty good entries, it's not the worst. All right, so I actually think I'm going to maybe close about half of the trade when I get to about a 1-to-1. I think that's what I want to do, just to be on the safer side, just because I usually don't interfere with my trades, but that one position at the bottom is pretty deep in profit in a sense. Like it's almost at, by itself, I think it's almost at like 1200 or so. So I'm thinking to probably just close half at 1-to-1 and then let the rest ride. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So we'll let that like ride out and we'll see what happens. So let me adjust my lot size here, and let's see. Yeah, let me change some of these positions here, bring that there, and I'm gonna get at least like 500 at least. Yeah, I want to say that's good enough. Hit confirm. There we go. So now we have both TPs set, both stop losses set. So at this point, if it just so much as goes up in that area, I should be good. So I can see like it's kind of unfortunately starting to retrace. We were in pretty good profit, and obviously had an opportunity to close some of the trades here. Let me just zoom in here. There we go. But obviously I had some time to close some of the trades here, but I barely tamper with my trades. If you guys know me from before, I don't mess with my trades. But in this case here, because that one entry that's really good in profit, like, or was deep in profit, I could have at least closed half in that case to secure like 0.5% and then just let the rest ride. So at this point, the trade is retracing. Hopefully it doesn't take us out. If it does, we've prepared for this. If it doesn't, then we are good. So let's, I guess, let it run, and I'll be back when everything's all said and done. I'm gonna let the trades run, and then I'm gonna return when everything's all said and done. All right, so wow, as you can see, we were taken out on the trade there, you know, and I lost like what? I lost about a total of almost $1,000. So even though I entered 2 positions, I lost about, give or take, 1%, right? And I know some of you guys are watching and you're probably like, oh, you should have taken profit, but technically it's not really what you want. I was up $1,500, which is a good amount. I could have closed one position for $1,000 and try and let the other one run. But I need my setups to play out and to work the way that it needs to work. So I just had to let it do what it has to do. So no big deal, guys. We don't cry over spoiled milk. This is the journey of trading. And this is part of the reason why I'm doing this series, is so that you guys can see that not every day is a winner. And sometimes you go through some streaks, or you go through some times where your setups just don't really work out. So I actually also wanted to show you guys how, you know, sometimes with trading, you could be a little too early, you could be right about the direction, wrong about the entry and stuff like that. Look at what eventually ended up happening. All right, so as you can see here, price came all the way down, took me out, and then ended up going all the way up, right? So it's just one of those things where I was a little bit too short on the stop loss, and ultimately I was right about where it was going. When I do my analysis, I have a really good idea of where price is going, and I just do my best as a trader to find the right entry and stuff like that. This isn't my typical entry, as you guys, if you guys remember from my previous trades, you know I trade a certain setup, but as a trader as well, every trader will tell you this, you don't have just one strategy, you have like 1, 2, sometimes 3 that you kind of go with, and depending on the setup and how strong you feel about it, you take whichever one presents itself. So in this series here, I'm just going to be trading, you know, the setups that I usually trade. I have like 2 setups that I particularly trade. This was one of them, and unfortunately didn't work out, but like I said, it was right in terms of entry, just wrong about direction. So it is what it is. So yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it for this episode. I know it's not the best start, but at least we're back, right? At least we're back getting into this. So let's just see what we can do. Let's get to a pass and then see if we can get a withdrawal. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, love and appreciate each and every one of you. And as always, I will catch you on